Hello, welcome again today. Today I want me to go through 0x 1a.c hash tables. But before I go, I dive into the projects or on how to give solutions on how to solve the projects. First, I want me to take you through the introduction of hash tables, the advantages, the uses of hash tables, uh, and the application of the hash tables in programming. So, first, let me go to the introduction of hash tables. What is hash table? Hash tables in programming. This is a very, very important data structure in which information is stored in to be easily retrieved. What does it? It means that this hash table that's is the position where the information is stored, and in is so that it can be easily be retrieved if it's needed and in efficient manner. Okay, let us go first to the advantages of hash tables. One, one of the advantages of the hash tables is hash tables it provide synchronization than other data structures. It gives a better synchronization than other data structures. Hash tables are more efficient than search tree or other data structures. This is search tree is another hash table, but this hash tables is very efficient than this one called hash tree or other data structures. Hash provides constant time for searching. Hash tables are space efficient. What are the uses of hash tables? The uses of hash tables is number one, it offers efficient data store and retrieval. Number two is hash is inefficient when there are many collisions. Hash collisions are practically not be avoided for large set if of possible keys. Hash does not allow null values. Hash tables have limited capacity and they will eventually fill up. And the last one is hash tables can be complex to implement. What are the properties? I want them, I want me to move very fast. The properties of hash function. Number one, it's for uniformity. What does it mean? A good hash function must map the key as even as possible. This this means that the probability of generating every hash value in the output should be roughly the same. That's for uniformity. Number two is deterministic. Deterministic. This is the second one. What does it mean by deterministic? It means that it must it must generate the same hash value for a given input value. It must generate the same hash value as a given input value. Okay, the last one is slow cost. What does it mean by when we say it's low cost? It means that the cost of executing the hash function must be smaller than using the hash technique become profitable over the traditional approach. The cost of the cost of executing hash function must be small. So that's why it's preferred to be used than to use the traditional approach. Another one is application of hash tables in programming. What does it mean? We have two application of these hash tables in programming. They've been and these two application is identification of databases and the search of engines. Okay, let me explain a little bit. Each of them identification database and number two is search engines. What does it mean when we say it's identification of database? Okay, it means that identification of identification of database in hash tables, it makes a unique signature. Do you get me? It makes a unique signature from never changing data like maybe the date of birth. Uh, it can be combined with other variables to give a unique identity of a person. I don't know. Have you get me clear there? It it makes a unique signature from never changing data like the maybe date of birth, maybe your documents, like the educational documents, academic. So it's combined with data valuable so that they can uh, make a unique. They can be so that it will make a unique identity to a person. Okay, let me go to search engines. Search engines, what does it mean when we say this? Remember, this is the application of hash tables in programming. So number one is identification. I've already explained identification database. The second one is search engines. So I want to explain a little bit on search engines. What does it mean when we say search engines? This is the application of hash. Okay, hash. It determines whether the page is unique or it has already been crawled before. It has been crawled before, without comparing the content of the whole page. You understand me? Determine whether the page is unique. This one, search engine. It's like when you are searching something in the website. So it determines whether the page is already been searched before or the content without comparing the content of the whole page, without going through one page. Maybe you are going to the Google, you are going to search something like hash table. Before you open one page, so you go straight to the hash tables. You click what you want, then you get the information. I think that's all. But for the next, I will prepare another video on prop sequencing. For example, the examples of prop sequence, linear propping, quadratic propping, double hashing. But that one I'll prepare it for the next lesson. Okay, now let me go fast. I dive into the hash tables. I want to give you a solution on how to solve these tasks. I will do them. I will do them, all of them. But But the most important thing here is please do not copy and paste. Just read it, go through the resources, read it, understand, so that you can know what you are supposed to do. Otherwise, if you not go through these resources, if you not read and understand, you will gain nothing here. You will only get 100%, but you have no an idea. So before we start solving this, you have to go through the resources first. You read or watch. There is a video here you can watch. You can read and understand. You go down. The requirements are here. You see the requirements here. These are the requirements. Allow editors, VI, film, Emacs. You go down. You go down. More information, data structures, tests. We strongly recommend on a set of tests. Python dictionaries. Python dictionary are implemented. Okay, this is the first task. CO is greater than HT. Write the functions that give the hash tables. This is the prototype. Hash underscore table underscore T. Asterisk hash underscore table underscore create and set it long. Very good. Return a pointer to the newly created hash table. If something went wrong, your function should return null. This is the first project. This is the first project. So let me go straight to show you how to solve this project. First, I have to open my webcam. This is my webcam. This is my webcam. It's loading. So let me share my webcam. Okay, that is my webcam. So I cd I cd. No, why is my internet is misbehaving? It's my cd. Uh-huh. This is low level. Remember, this is not higher level. This is low level programming. They are under low level programming. Here we are. CD. Okay. This is the so as you can see, when I cdlx low level programming, it's no such a file or cdlx or no such a file or directory. So what are we supposed to do here? What we will do in order to enter into this LX row level programming, then we create what we call a directory. This directory, share this again. This first we create this LX row level programming. Then we create this directory 0x1 hash tables. Then we create this file. So what are we supposed to do here? First, we have to clone this repository, LX low level programming. Otherwise, if we will not clone it, it will give us an error, an error, an error, an error, an error. So, what are we supposed to do here is, let me show you how we clone. To share this the container. Okay, first, I want me to show you how we can clone this LX Low level programming. Okay, 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 okay. I want me to show you how to clone. This is how to clone. This is how to clone. Copy. This is how to clone. Okay. When you want to clone this LX low level programming, you have to git clone HTTP, your personal token, your username, then your LX low level programming here. So this is my token. I think there is a lesson I taught you about your personal token. So let me enter my token here. Very, very important. Let me enter my token here. This is my token. This is my token. Right. You have to save it where you can get it when you need it. This is my token, as you can see. G, this one at github.com. Come here, you write your username. My username is it's my username. Then then extra level. You enter. It's like I'm waiting an error here. I can see. Aha, I have an error here. I can see. Dot git here. Let me copy this one. This is dot git. That's an error that I made. Dot git. I think. Okay, you can see the cloning into the Rex program. Cloning remote not found. Why? Let me see. Let me check. Check. Let me check here. It's clone. Ah, I can see my. Okay. So, again, let's git clone. Now, this programming you have to come out with errors. You have to see where the error occurred, and you solve it, and let it, otherwise you will get mess the whole thing. Use my token, enter my token here. This is my token. Copy. This is my token. This is my token, enter my token. This is how these things are so challenging. This is my token. Yes, at github.com. Then this is my username. This is my username. It's my username. Let's slowly. Dot it. So coming out. Saharas does not exist.